In Scandinavia, winter lasts 6 months. The sun barely rises. Temperatures drop below freezing for weeks at a time. And yet, Scandinavian countries consistently rank as the happiest, most satisfied people on Earth. Their secret isn't the weather. It's the home. For centuries, Scandinavians have been forced to master one thing: how to make a small, dark space feel warm, alive, and completely enough. The result is the most refined approach to apartment living the world has ever produced. This is a 40 sqm Scandinavian apartment. And when you see what they did, with less than half a tennis court, you'll never think about space the same way again. The first thing Scandinavian designers do with a small apartment is remove everything that blocks the light. No heavy curtains, no dark furniture near the windows, no unnecessary walls. In a country where daylight is rationed by the season, every ray of natural light is treated like a material, something to be designed with, directed, and celebrated. The result is a room that feels twice its size before a single piece of furniture is placed inside it. Scandinavian interiors are not white. They are 50 shades of white: warm white, cool white, linen white, stone white, the white of fresh snow versus the white of birch bark. Each surface a slightly different tone, creating depth through subtlety rather than contrast. This is a palette that never competes with the light. It only amplifies it. Three materials define every Scandinavian interior: wood, pale birch, or ash. Never dark, never heavy. It brings warmth without weight. Linen, on the sofa, the bed, the curtains when there are any. It breathes. It wrinkles slightly. It looks lived in immediately. Wool, in the rug underfoot, the throw on the chair. In a cold climate, texture is warmth. You can see before you feel it. There is a Danish word that has no direct translation in any other language: hygge. It describes a feeling, the warmth of candlelight on a dark evening, the comfort of a wool blanket, the quiet of a room that asks nothing of you. In Scandinavian apartments, hygge is not decoration. It is the reason every decision is made, why the lighting is always warm, Why the sofa is always deep. Why there is always a candle, even in summer. In 40 square meters, storage cannot be an afterthought. In Scandinavian design, it never is. Built-in cabinets run floor to ceiling. Their handles flush with the surface, invisible until you need them. The bed sits on a platform, with deep drawers below. The staircase, if there is one, holds everything. The apartment looks empty, but it holds everything. That is the Scandinavian solution. Not less stuff, but stuff that disappears. Scandinavian kitchens are designed around one principle: function first, beauty second. And yet they are among the most beautiful kitchens in the world. Matte white or gray cabinetry, open shelving for daily items, simple brushed steel fixtures, no unnecessary surfaces, no decorative appliances. Everything either useful or beautiful enough to earn its place. The result is a kitchen that actually works, which, in Scandinavia, is considered the highest form of beauty. In Scandinavia, the bedroom has one job: rest. Not a home office, not a TV room, not a reading room, just rest. Low platform bed. In the center of the room, linen duvet the color of oatmeal. Blackout blinds for the summer, when the sun refuses to set. Until midnight. No overhead light, only bedside lamps, with warm, dim bulbs. A room that tells your body, the moment you enter it, it is time to slow down. Scandinavians have a concept for luftsliff, literally, open-air life. The belief that human beings need contact with nature to function properly. In a 40 SQM apartment, you cannot bring the forest inside, but you can bring a branch of eucalyptus in a vase, a small potted pine on the windowsill, a bowl of river stones on the shelf. These are not decorations. They are reminders that even in the smallest apartment, in the middle of the city, the natural world is never far away. In a 40 SQM apartment, the dining table is not just where you eat. It is where you work in the morning, where you drink coffee slowly, where friends sit for hours. On dark winter evenings, Scandinavian dining tables are small, but they are the most important piece of furniture in the home. A round oak table, 2 or 4 simple chairs, no centerpiece that takes up space, just the table, clear and ready for whatever the day requires. Step back and look at the whole apartment. 40 square meters. A living room that breathes. A kitchen that works. A bedroom that rests you. A dining table that holds your life. Nothing wasted. Nothing missing. This is the Scandinavian answer to the question everyone asks. How much space do you actually need? Not as much as you think. Just enough. Designed perfectly. Six months of winter, 40 square meters. One philosophy, live with less, but make every single thing count. The Scandinavians didn't invent minimalism as an aesthetic. They invented it as a survival strategy. And somewhere along the way, it became the most copied interior design philosophy in the world because it works in any climate, in any city, in any size apartment. If this made you rethink how much space you actually need, subscribe for a new apartment tour every week and tell me in the comments, what would you keep if you had to live in 40 SQM? What stays and what finally goes?